All right, you can come in.
Look, Sarah. Stop.
Funny!
A Furby.
Angry Bird!
Cool.
Funny! Mommy, funny!
A Furby. This is what you wanted.
Lego movie! It's sports!
Yeah.
Daddy!
Bring it here. Let me see.
Look!
Wow, what is it?
Oh my goodness, Sarah, look what you got!
That's for both of you, I think.
Yay!
Yeah, the stuff in the middle is for both of you.
Hot Wheels! Mama, Hot Wheels!
All right. Woohoo.
Papa, look what you got! Mimo!
Aw, Nemo.
Oh, look what I got!
What is it?
Look! Look at I
Wow.
got! Play-Doh shell!
A bell. How pretty.
Mama, can you open this?
In just a second. Oh,
Okay, in
What
just
else did you get, Sarah?
Train lights!
Ooh.
Whoa! This is what I wanted!
That's what you guys wanted,
Look
wasn't
what
it?
I got!
Yeah.
I really wanted this. Mama, what's this? Look what I
Oh, Sarah got a pink and purple dump truck.
got. I got it. Oh, one more thing. We need to open our presents over there. Oh, look what I got.
Whoa.
Santa liked the darker.
He did. Yeah.
Mommy, look what I got.
Ooh, what's that, Sarah?
A scooter.
Ooh, a scooter.
Oh my goodness. This way. Ooh, Mama. I got a snake. Oh my gosh, I died! Look what I got!
Well, you got some baby toys. Tons of stuff, Sarah.
Yeah, let me open it. Let me open my
Did you
whoopee
look
cushion.
in your stocking?
Daddy.
Yeah. You can play this with Matt.
And your other babies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my other babies. A bottle!
Yay!
Oh, it's time the whoopee cushion. Bubble. Oh my goodness. Wait. Powder.
Mhm.
Don't jump on it too hard, you'll break it.
A flag.
Yeah.
This is.
Is that baby wash? Baby soap?
Spoon.
Mm-hmm.
The
It's
coat.
good to know that the best thing that Santa brought you was a whoopee cushion.
Baby soap again. Sarah, look. Look behind you. Hello, Kitty. Mommy. Hello, Kitty. Sarah, look what you got. An octopus.
Did you look in your stocking, Sarah?
I want to open this big baby.
Did you open that one?
Yeah.
Did you look your stocking's right there? Look, go look in your stocking and see what you got.
Daddy.
The red sock.
Good word. Grown-ups.
Sarah, look in your stockings. Oh, Sarah! Awesome! How did you get this in
what game did you get? Look over there and see what game you got.
Behind the Angry Birds.
I got Angry Puzzle. Look, Angry Birds. I got Angry Birds puzzle. Oh my doggy doo.
Show Daddy.
What'd you get?
I got doggy doo.
All right.
I'm gonna make him poop all the time. Can you open this?
Yeah. I thought you wanted to open up your garage first.
I just want to open
Let me
that.
see. Let me see.
Baba, look at that. Look what you got. Sunspot.
You can both use that.
Yeah, that's for both of you. Keep looking because I think there's another present hidden somewhere.
Yeah, keep looking.
Oh no! Oh, I found it!
What is it?
What is that?
Minnie Mouse.
Look, Sarah.
An iPad.
Show Daddy.
That is an iPad.
Is it? Wow.
Oh, you must have been really good.
Yeah. From saying.
That's for both of you. Let mommy help you open it.
Here, let me help you.
I love doggy doo. Oh, what is that? Mommy, do it open this
Mhm.
so I can watch. Sarah, I got one of these. I got this. Post Krabby Patty's Christmas trees.
Ooh, yum.
I got this for mine, so I sleep well. I
What?
sleep well.
Mhm.
So what's your most favorite thing?
All my presents. Can I try that?
Hang on, let me see if I can turn it on.
You gotta hold the button for a little second, for a second.
There you go.
Yay!
What's on it?
It has Angry Birds. I want them to Kung Fu Panda.
Ooh.
How you do this,
Here, let
Mommy?
me get some
I
chips.
got
Okay?
it.
Open it up for you.
Okay. It was pink.
Ooh. A pink scooter.
Yeah, it's a pink scooter. Mama, look!
Cool.
I want one! I'm doing the
Nancy, get
second
down and
level.
help us with this one. Let's see.
It does good if you do up all the time. I will hold this. I'll hold this.